Let us now see how to handle cutouts, both spatially for images, in wavelength for spectra, or both for 3D spectroscopy. Cutouts are, of course, very useful to limit the download of large files to only the parts of interest, thus limiting transfer times and data cluttering. It is very important to note that the intrinsic quality of the data is fully preserved, in that no resampling or rescaling is applied to the data itself. Starting from the home page of the ESO Archive Science portal, the full instructions on how to use cutouts can be accessed by clicking on the scissor icon here on the top bar. Let us now see a few examples. Let's start with imaging. We begin by specifying an object and querying for that, then limiting the query to images here on the left. And now we can go to the download part here on the top right, and then here, and then you can see that now we're offered the option of choosing between full-size data and cutouts. And you can see the massive reduction in size when cutouts are selected. Back to the home page to see how it works for spectra. Again, we enter a target. We select spectrum as data type here on the left, and then we limit to a given spectral range. And we trigger the query again. Now we can go to the download, again top right, and then download, and again we're offered the possibility of choosing between full size or cutouts. Let's reset the home page again and see how it works for 3D spectroscopy. Also in this case, as an example, we start from the same object, select cube as data type, and then, as before, a wavelength range. Query again, and let's also reduce a little bit the search radius, which is also then the cutout radius. We go again to download, and once more, full size and cutouts. Again, of course, with massive reduction in file size. More advanced examples and functionalities can be accessed by clicking on the scissor icon on the top of the window.